Okay, so here's the new coffee maker, and I just finished installing that water line right back there. Had to drill through my cabinet, but that's all right because it kind of discreetly goes underneath that shelf there. You can't see it, and then it goes behind to the fridge, or behind the fridge, connected the water line teed off there. So we'll never have to fill that reservoir again. And then to get a cup of coffee, you can choose any of these preset type things here, or you can tell A Word to get you a cup, or for more options, you can just go into the app here and like just choose coffee, for example. And I did like a custom 8-ounce one to get myself a larger one, but we'll just do the default like 6 ounces. You hit make drink, and then it starts to spin up, and then there you go. But I think it's going to take a few minutes since it's been several hours, so it's got to heat up. But it spins up. Grinds the beans. It's got a big bean hopper too. Lots of beans, like a whole pound at least fits in there. And then out comes your coffee. And then when it's done, of course, it'll spit the grounds, the coffee grounds, into the little bin. And then since I've installed this water line, I noticed that it also refills the water, so you can hear it do that too. And I also got a little notification on my phone that says your coffee is ready. So there you go. That's it. Pretty cool, huh? That's it. Here comes the water. It's cleaning itself. There. That's the water refilling itself. Boom. All done.